Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 2: Wastes and How to Fight Them. What is Lean? This and the following videos in the chapter will discuss wastes in ISO management systems documentation. You'll discover how using Lean methods can simplify your ISO management systems documentation and make it more efficient and user-friendly. The environment will continue to deteriorate until pollution practices are abandoned. B.F. Skinner. So, what is Lean? The easiest way to answer this question is to type Lean into the Google search box. You'll get 1/3 of a billion results in less than a second. Yes, that's billion with a B. Try it. It's incredible how much information is out there on Lean. For our purpose, we'll stick with the basics. Wikipedia articulates that Lean is a systematic method for the minimization of waste within a system. In our case, the system is documentation. Therefore, we have to eliminate waste in manuals, procedures, instructions, and other documents in order to transition the system to the Lean state. In other words, we have to remove the steps and information that do not contribute to a procedure's purpose. Why Lean? If you define the problem correctly, you almost have the solution. Steve Jobs. According to research by the Lean Enterprise Research Center, 60% of production activities in a typical manufacturing operation are waste. One can find the same, if not more, in the documentation of a typical management system. An excessive number of documents, over-detailed and over-decorated standard operating procedures, so-called SOPs, are ineffective and costly. Per Steve Jobs, we've defined the problem. Now we're on a clear and unobstructed path to the solution. Waste-free, well-written and validated documents will lead an organization to a more efficient and economic management system. Lean approaches help develop and maintain effective documentation compliant with ISO 9001, 13485, 14001 standards, and the FDA 21 CFR 820 regulation. To make a procedure lean, we have to ensure that it does not contain any unnecessary, duplicate, and irrelevant information. Or simply speaking, does not carry wastes. In short, the simpler the document, the less time it takes to create or revise it, validate it, review and approve it, remember the content, and to use it. From the user's point of view, the shorter the message, the greater the retention. From the organization's point of view, the shorter the documents, the less expensive it is to maintain the system. Regretfully, most organizations do not correlate over-documented systems with the cost. But it is possible to get an idea of how much money a company wastes on a traditional, over-documented management system. The Lean documentation cost analysis model is quite extensive, and we'll talk about it in one of our case studies later in the book. This concludes our Why Lean section. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to purchase a paperback or ebook copy, click the links below. Both are available on Amazon, and you can find the ebook on our website. Until next time.